So guys, today I have came with a good theory about God Valley incident. So I would like to give a disclaimer to you all that theory may come true or may not come true. So don't take it serious. Without wasting time, let's start after the intro. So guys, let me clear you all. God Valley incident took place 38 years ago, where rock pirates who are inevitable with Big Mom, Whitebeard, Cheeky and Kaido with their captain Rox D. Zebek were in that place. But Rox lost to duo of Garp and Roger, and there were celestial dragons in God Valley at that time. So okay guys, this is the information Sengoku given about God Valley incident. Now let me start my theory. The theory is Rox D. Zebek know about One Piece. So he wanna destroy world government and become the king of the world. But the Garp comes to rescue the celestial dragons. Garp tries to defeat Rox D. Zebek, but he was very strong to defeat. But at same time, Roger helps Garp to defeat Zebek. But here comes the twist. While Rox D. Zebek was dying, he must have said about great treasure One Piece to Garp and Roger, but by the orders of world government, before saying full about One Piece, he must have been dead. So you would ask what were the Kaido, Big Mom and Whitebeard were doing. As this was mentioned by Whitebeard, they were not together at all. They could fight themselves all the time. So they must have abandoned or they were somewhere else. After that, Roger starts a new quest to find the One Piece. After this, we all know what happened. Garp must have known about One Piece from his higher officials and hated the Celestial Dragons. So this must be the reason he doesn't want to become an admiral and serve under the Celestial Dragons. There is another twist here. So guys, did you remember the theory Shanks is son of Zebek? If that is true, Shanks must have known about One Piece and cried after knowing about his father's last words in Odin's flashback. I think this is the reason Shanks is protecting One Piece and pretending to maintain peace in world until the day Joy Boy arrives to know about the truth of the world and bring down world government. So to say it simple, Shanks is acting as peacekeeper for One Piece and fulfilling his father's dreams. So guys, that's it for today. If you find any loopholes in this theory, comment below. And if you have any theories, then why are you waiting? Comment it below and share your knowledge to all. So see you in next video. Sayonara.